Hey guys, how to build membership site on Hostinger. So log into your Hostinger account. If you have the official website, go in, or if you have already an account on Hostinger, make sure that you log in with your account. You can click the three bars right here at the top right, and then go ahead and log in with your account using Facebook, Gmail, or even this website, which is GitHub. Sorry. So after you log in, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to start building a membership. Here we will walk you through it. Choose a platform for membership site. WordPress is a great option. You can install WordPress via auto installer in Hostinger, and then select the membership plugin. Install a membership plugin like MemberPress, Restrict Content Pro, or Paid Membership Pro through the WordPress dashboard under plugins and add new, and make sure that you analyze the market demand. Use keyword research like Ahrefs and Sumosh to gauge interest in your niche, right? And make sure that you have to-do list, right? Consider your interest in area of expertise, conduct audience research, analyze market demand and competition, and brainstorm content idea, right? And after you configure the plugin, set up your membership levels and subscription options, and then start add the payment gateways according to your need using the plugin's settings, right? And you can create the membership content, right? Add protected content like pages, posts, etc. Only members can access based on their subscription level. And then you're gonna be able to design your site, set up the security, and then launch the site. Test the membership functionality. Hostinger doesn't allow you to have the full feature unless you have a subscription plan. So go ahead to the official website and make sure that you select the perfect plan for you, right, to set it up. And after you select it, you're going to be able to start creating or that will help you find the right plan, right, for you, depending on your niche and depending on your interest. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.